Understanding campus accusations. Imagine this. It's the first week of college, and your child is excitedly settling into their new life away from home. Yet, in this seemingly bright chapter of their life, there lurks a shadow, an accusation that can change everything. In recent years, statistics reveal a troubling rise in campus accusations, particularly surrounding issues of misconduct. The reality of such situations can be both harrowing and overwhelming, impacting not just the accused, but also their families. Unlike traditional court systems that prioritize due process and criminal standards, campus adjudication operates under a different set of rules. This nuanced approach can leave families grappling with the emotional and psychological toll such accusations can unleash. Understanding these intricacies is vital for anyone sending a child to college, especially in today's world, where accusations can spread like wildfire through social media and campus gossip. The preponderance of evidence standard. What does it mean? Central to the campus adjudication process is the concept of the preponderance of evidence standard. Simply put, this legal threshold means that a claim is considered valid if it is more likely than not true, essentially a 51% certainty. This is markedly different from the beyond a reasonable doubt standard applied in criminal trials, where the stakes are much higher. What this means for students. Perceived unfairness. This lower threshold can create feelings of injustice among accused students, who may feel they have not been given a fair chance to clear their name. Limited defense. Students often have less access to legal representation and can feel at a disadvantage within a system that may not fully understand their rights. For a young adult facing accusations in such a high-stress environment, these nuances can lead to crippling anxiety and distress. The consequences of campus accusations. The fallout from campus accusations can be severe, with implications reaching far beyond the immediate situation. Academic consequences, suspension or expulsion. Universities often respond to accusations by suspending or expelling students pending an investigation. Impact on academic transcript. A record of disciplinary action can follow the accused for life, making it harder to transfer or apply for future jobs. Emotional and psychological toll. The stigma associated with being accused can lead to feelings of isolation and shame. Mental health challenges can escalate, including anxiety, depression, and even suicidal ideation. Long-term implications. Both victims and the accused face a significant impact on their reputations and future opportunities. Being involved in an allegation can hinder an individual's career prospects and personal relationships long after the college years. It's crucial to recognize that both sides endure hardships from accusations, making it essential to approach these situations with compassion and understanding. Navigating the campus justice system. Understanding how accusations are processed on campus can equip families with the knowledge to navigate this complex landscape effectively. Here's a brief outline of the typical process. 1. Reporting. If an incident occurs, students report it to their institution, often triggering the campus's formal procedures. 2. Investigation. The school will conduct an investigation, gathering evidence and interviewing witnesses. 3. Hearing. A hearing may take place where both the accuser and the accused can present their sides of the story. 4. Appeal. If the accused is found responsible, they typically have the right to appeal the decision. Title IX plays a critical role in regulating these processes, particularly regarding sexual misconduct. Understanding rights. Students have specific rights throughout this process, and it is vital for both parties to be aware of these rights. Rights include the right to an advisor during hearings, the right to present evidence, the right to appeal decisions. Knowledge is power. Ensuring that students and families understand the system can help mitigate some of the fear that comes with campus accusations. Support systems. Advocating for students and families, it is often said that it takes a village, and this sentiment rings especially true when dealing with campus accusations. Organizations like Families Advocating for Campus Equality, FACE, exist to provide key support for families navigating this complex terrain. Resources offered by FACE, counseling services, emotional support, and counseling can provide comfort during trying times. Legal advice. Understanding the legal options available can be crucial for both students and their families. Advocacy. Active advocacy helps students navigate their rights and resources available to them. Be your child's advocate. Encourage your child not only to seek help and support, but also to understand their rights. Knowledge is the first line of defense against the emotional toll that accusations can take. Conclusion. What every parent needs to know before enrollment: the landscape of campus life is forever changing, and understanding the intricacies of campus accusations is essential. The potential fallout from these scenarios could linger long after college is over, impacting reputations, mental health, and professional opportunities. As a parent or guardian, proactive communication is key. Before enrollment, ask schools about their procedures regarding campus accusations and the support systems in place. 1. Investigate how they handle accusations. 2. Learn about available resources for students facing accusations, both the accused and the victims. Empower yourself and your child to navigate these waters with confidence. Awareness of resources and rights can make all the difference in times of crisis. In today's world, being informed lets you not only advocate effectively for your child, but also ensures that they can focus on what really matters: pursuing their education and building a bright future. Ultimately, this knowledge could be the shield that protects your child in the complex and sometimes daunting world of higher education. So, take action. Educate yourself, ask questions, and ensure your child's college experience is both fulfilling and safe.
In a world where shadows linger, we fight the fight, facing false accusations. We'll shine our light when the whispers behind your back try to dim your glow. Know that resilience runs deep and together we grow. Legal avenues open, we navigate the maze with support for victims, igniting the blaze. The justice system may falter, but we'll rise above. Community strong, we surround